about the case study on the topic of chemotherapy, and our allied students from the Department of Physician Assistants very much eagerly to share their case study on chemotherapy. So in this video, students are going to explain what is chemotherapy and how chemotherapy works and all the types of chemotherapy and common drugs used for chemotherapy and the common side effects and the patient care and management. So let's get into the video and students will share these topics.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this video, we are going to learn about chemotherapy using a case study approach.
Instead of just memorizing the theory, we will see how chemotherapy is given practically in real life, how the drug acts, what side effects they get, and how effectively we manage. Let's get into the video and connect the theory with clinical practices.
By the end of this session, you will be able to define chemotherapy clearly, explain how chemotherapy works inside the body, identify different drugs and commonly used effects, recognize important side effects, and finally, plan proper patient care and management.
Here is the case scenario. A 52-year-old female patient has been diagnosed with breast cancer. She is currently receiving chemotherapy as part of her treatment. She is receiving following complaints like hair loss, fatigue, weakness, nausea and vomiting. Now we will analyze the case step by step as like healthcare professionals.
I am here to explain what is chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is use of chemical drugs to destroy or control the growth of cancerous cells. These drugs are designed to target rapidly dividing cells.
Following definition, the purpose of the chemotherapy is used to treat a cancerous cell present in the body and reduce the size of the tumor cells, prevent the spread of the tumor cells, and prevent the quality of the life. It also plays a role in treatment and preventive effect.
Coming to the stages of chemotherapy. It can be given in different ways based on the stages of disease. Adjuvant chemotherapy, neoadjuvant chemotherapy, curative chemotherapy and palliative chemotherapy. Adjuvant chemotherapy, it is given after the surgery to destroy the remaining cells. Neoadjuvant chemotherapy, which is given before the surgery to shrink the tumor. Curative chemotherapy, it is aimed to cure the disease completely. Palliative chemotherapy, which helps for relieve the symptoms and maintain comfort. In this patient, it is most like adjuvant chemotherapy, which is given after a surgery.
Following purpose and types of chemotherapy. Now, let us see about drugs used in chemotherapy. Common drugs used in breast cancers include cyclophosphamide, methotrexate, doxorubicin. These drugs involve different classes such as alkylating agents, antimetabolics, anti-tumor antibiotics. Each drug works in a slightly different way, but all aim to stop cancer cell growth.
Coming to the mechanism of action. Chemotherapy drugs act on the targeting rapidly dividing cells. They are damage the DNA of cancer cells, prevent cell division, inhibiting protein synthesis, tapered cell growth.
Now let us understand the side effects and symptoms seen in the patient. The first one is hair loss, which means alopecia, which causes due to damage of hair follicles, and second one is vomiting and nausea, which occurs because of irritation of stomach and brain center, and the last one is fatigue, which is due to decrease in the protection of dead cells in the bone marrow.
Now let us see about management the side effects. For nausea, give antiemetic drugs. For fatigue, proper ensure rest and nutrition. For low immunity, prevent infections and monitor blood counts. Provide psychological support and emotional stress. Management is very important. Improve patient comfort and treat compliance.
The advice we given to the patient was importance of personal hygiene, eat balanced diet, avoid crowded places to the prevent infection, drink more water. The patient education is more important for successful treatment.
Coming to conclusion, chemotherapy is the powerful treatment used to destroy cancer cells. However, it also affects the normal cell, leading to side effects.
Proper understanding, early identification of symptoms, effective management are essential for better patient outcome. Case-based learning helps to apply knowledge in real clinical situations.
Thank you for watching. Keep learning and stay committed to patient care.
Hope you all enjoyed this video. Our students of physician assistants have clearly explained about the case based on chemotherapy. And to conclude that chemotherapy is a powerful treatment to destroy the cancer cells, and the types of chemotherapy is neoadjuvant, adjuvant, palliative and curative. And the purpose of chemotherapy is to damage the DNA of the cancer cells, and the drugs which is used commonly is cyclophosphamide and methotrexate, and the common side effects while using the chemotherapy drugs which is include hair loss, frequent fatigue and nausea and vomiting, and moreover the most important is the patient care is important and patient management is also important. And the next video we will see about the next case study. Thank you.